Hey, thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to make a chili. It's a lighter version than what I normally make. I usually use a beef whenever I make chili, but today, folks, I'm using ground chicken. We're going to make a creamy chicken chili, white chili. Okay, I have my pan preheated. I put some oil in there. I'm going to take my chicken. I have actually 2 pounds that I'm going to fry. Now I just have a large onion. I'm going to cut the onion up and then we'll put it in here in just a second. Okay, I have our onion chopped. I'm going to break the chicken up and separate it. And we're just going to take the onion and put it in here. That way it cooks as the chicken cooks. Now I did turn this down to a medium heat. That way it doesn't cook too fast, where the chicken is a lot leaner than beef. I don't want to risk it burning. So we're just going to let this cook. And while it cooks, we're going to do a quick cleanup of this area right here. And we're going to get the rest of the ingredients for the chili together. Okay, I've moved my chicken over to another eye. That way I can work on this one. I'm right-handed, guys, and I cannot work backwards. Cannot work left-handed. If you can, then you do better than I am. Okay, so I'm going to move my pot over here. I have a box of chicken broth. Use whatever brand you want, guys. It really doesn't matter, as long as it's what you like. Okay, so I'm going to put my chicken broth in here. Okay. And I have my colander or strainer, whatever you want to call it, and I have a bowl. I have my beans, folks. I have the cannellini beans, which, in all honesty, all it is a white kidney bean. So, just a fancy name for it, but it's just a white kidney bean. And Great Northern beans. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open them. I'm going to dump them in here, and then I'm going to take them over to the sink and rinse them and get all that bean starch off, because we don't want that in the chili. As you can see, there's a lot of that bean starch that's in there. And I'm just going to dump the other 2. Then I'll take it and rinse it, and then we'll bring it over and put it in the chicken broth. Okay. I just got done rinsing my beans. This right here is how much stuff leaked out of the beans before I rinsed them off. It's a whole lot of stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to pour them in the chicken broth. Stir them up. And then while these are coming up to temperature, I'm going to go ahead and get my seasonings together and the ingredients that are going to make this chili different. It's what's going to make this chili a creamy white chili rather than your traditional tomato-based chili. Okay, I have our seasonings together. I have cayenne pepper, granulated garlic, salt, pepper, oregano, and cumin. I will give you the exact amounts in the description box, so don't worry about trying to figure it out from that little colorful bowl there. Okay, add those in there. Folks, this already smells so good. It really smells so good. Okay. I'm going to turn my chicken off, and I'm going to put it over here, and I'm going to let all of the excess grease and oil and everything drain out of it. Now we're going to stir the chicken over here into the chicken broth, beans, and spices. See, this looks similar, but yet very, very different from your traditional chilies. We don't always do the same boring dishes in our house. So we always have a change up. And I always look forward to this chicken chili. Okay, let me get the rest of my stuff opened, and then we'll get it in the pot. Okay, we have this all mixed up. So now, as promised, we're going to turn this chili white and creamy. Okay, this is heavy whipping cream. And I use this a lot whenever I make a taco soup, and it's really good in it. Okay, I have sour cream. Folks, again, whatever brand you want to use, it doesn't matter. I use, honestly, what I find on sale. Real life, real honesty. It's just how it is around here. Okay, I have green chilies. This is one of the 7-ounce cans. This is the medium flavor. If you want to go mild, go mild. If you want to go hot, then they come in different varieties. I try to go the middle of the road, that way everybody in the house is happy. Okay. And last but not least, I have cream cheese. Folks, my hands are clean. This is the easiest way I found to get this off that paper, is just to pull it off. If you have a better way, please comment and let me know. Okay, so I'm going to wash my hands, stir this up, and we're going to let it simmer until the cream cheese melts. This has been simmering for about 30 minutes. Now, it's time to turn it off and grab a taste test. Folks, you know I'm going to eat a lot more than this, but it's in between meals, and so I don't need a big bunch right now. But just enough to give you a taste test, show you the consistency, and get my hunger going even more, because this smells amazing. Okay, here we go. That is so good. Absolutely fantastic. If you want to serve it with maybe a little shredded cheddar in there, or bacon. Some people put, they fry some bacon and crumble it up and put it on top. Personally, I don't think it needs it, but that's just me. I just throw some oyster crackers in there, because I do prefer those over saltines because they stay crisp longer. But folks, once you try this, it's going to be a family favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.